let's look at the following grade school division problem. Suppose we want to divide the integer 92 by the integer 5. And what we do is we see, well, how many times does 5 go into 9? It goes in once. We subtract. We find a remainder of 4. 5 doesn't go into 4, so we bring down the 2. 5 goes into 42 8 times, and we have a remainder of 2 left over. We're only interested in integer division, so we stop at this time. So the number 92, if you recall, is referred to as the dividend. Number 5 is referred to as the divisor. 18 is known as the quotient. And 2 is the remainder. And as a check, what we would do is we would take the quotient, we would multiply that by the divisor, add to that the remainder, and what we come up with finally ought to be equal to the dividend that we started with, which it does. This process is really known as the division algorithm, which is a uniqueness and existence theorem stating that when we have an integer like 92 and we divide it by this divisor 5, then there are unique numbers called the quotient, which is 18 here, and the remainder, which have the property that 92 is 5 times 18 plus 2, and the number 2, which is the remainder, is positive and less than the divisor.